We're in the midst of a revolution full of opportunities, and that revolution is digitalization. The question for us is not whether we want to be part of this revolution, but what our role will be in it and how we can use it to our advantage. The construction industry remains one of the last industries that has not taken benefit from digitalization, which is why its productivity lags behind others. But not anymore. The change is here and now, and we want to be on the driver's seat. We will be our customers, employees, and partners' first choice in digitalizing environments in our industry. We will incorporate digitalization into all our services, processes, and ways of working, and be at the forefront with the Internet of Things connects buildings and systems together. We'll use building information modeling to cover a building's entire life cycle, from design to build and maintain. We will be there when artificial intelligence, robotics, and drone technologies become part of our industry. We will take full advantage of new ways of working and mobility. This is the future of Caverion. With your help, we will be the first choice in digitalizing environments. You are Caverion.